Why are Jamaican teachers migrating? A Jamaican teacher explains.
Want to chime into the teacher migration business, but I find myself in a predicament that warrants some ventilation. So last year, December 2021, a student told me to go suck my mother, and she literally threatened my life. I don't want it to be about the things that you said, but just know that every letter of the alphabet, every expletive known to man, every color known to man, the student went and told me about it. All right, fair enough. Now, I know say if me did answer the pitney, it would have reached right as upon social media, and I would have been, uno would have said me wrong, right? Because the teacher them never write it. The pitney them right, and them have how much rights, and them bring them parents and all these things. So, took a lot of emotional intelligence, a lot of self-control to really not answer the student, but I felt threatened nonetheless. Anyway, the student was suspended, and I think day 3 into her suspension, I saw her on campus, and I locked myself in the office, and I called the powers that be, and I asked to be escorted off so I could leave with my life, right? Because I don't know why she is over there. Anyway, fast forward to a new academic year, the academic year 2022-2023, and now my HOD is going to tell me that the student has been reinstated. Not only has the student been reinstated, but the student has been placed in the same program I teach and in my class. All right, so the same class where she failed, because before she do her practical exam, she actually decided to tell me off. That the same class there, then put her back in. Now it's culinary arts me teach, so you know, so me teaching at the kitchen. So the woman would have access to what? To knife, to hot pot, to hot oil, to all these types of things, right? That is now going to give her the tools now to act upon her threat. There was no discussion with me. I got an email in January to say that the investigation stopped because the student had voluntarily withdrawn. So as to how we reach here, so this new academic year, I don't know. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm a little bit disgruntled that my institution would not have had any discussions with me on how we move forward, even how I teach the student, what is going to protect me. So when you see a teacher them move over to the greener grass, and not just because the money maga, you hear? It is for our own safety. You understand? Because like right now, they can't pay me enough money for me to stay over there, so because I don't feel safe, right? So bear that in mind.